what is sound? It has amplitude, it has frequency, it has velocity. Morning.
How are you?
How you doing, man? It's great to see you.
You look a little blue. Just
What's up, man?
How are you?
I like the Chinese balls where you do that and they don't touch. I do that with my testicles. Yeah.
You look like a guy that likes Chinese balls.
I'm gonna do my Robert Downey Jr.
You say the whole thing.
You guys ready to play the feud?
You know what? You've heard the term before. Black don't crack.
Wants a shit bowl, you know?
Yeah,
Nobody
because
wants
everyone's sick of the shitball's bullshit.
Lemon and lime is just right, especially after salmon or steak.
Carpentry is that kind of it's a Chinese.
Right now, I'm just looking at a blank screen.
You ready to play?
A woman voice.
Maybe it sounds more like a woman when you're actually in the dress.
Bumping into me during a basketball game. I said,
Period. Bitch.
Talk about this. How long have we talked about it?
I want to talk about it until you get annoyed.
No.
So that's
Yeah,
quite okay.
Yeah, but if we can live forever, then why don't you just eat whatever you want?
Killing it for you, boy.